Hey everyone, I hope all of you all are doing well today. We welcome you all to the Zoho Creator Insights webinar for the month of July 2023. I am Niveta from the Zoho Creator Solutions team and I thank you all for joining the webinar today. Get ready to kick back, relax, and enjoy a casual yet informative presentation that's sure to put a smile on your face. Today, we are here to share some valuable insights about powering up your business solution with augmented reality in Zoho Creator. Before diving into the session, we request you all to please note the below instructions. We request all the attendees to be on mute during this session. If you have any questions during the session, please feel free to post the queries in the questions tab so that myself or my co-trainer will be able to address your queries. Also, we will be sharing a recording of this session to all the attendees post completion of the session. And at last, a survey link will be shared to your post, and it would be very helpful if you participate in the survey post session. Now that we have set the stage, let's dive into our roadmap for today. We are going to start off with a brief introduction of Zoho Creator and jump right away into the world of AR, where we will be discussing about the leading use cases of augmented reality in the current business trends, followed by the various types of AR that are available in Zoho Creator. Then we will be exploring the AR components that are available in Zoho Creator, followed by the two AR modes in which we can view the AR models in Creator. And finally, I'll walk you through a Zoho Creator app which we have created to demonstrate the scope of AR within Creator using an interesting use case. Having seen the big picture on our agenda, it's time to zoom in and focus on the intricate details, starting with Zoho Creator. Zoho Creator is a low-code app development platform that enables businesses and individuals to build custom applications without extensive coding knowledge. You don't need to be a tech genius or a coding wizard. With its simple drag and drop interface, you can create your own apps just by placing the elements where you want them. It's like playing with building blocks, but instead, you're building applications. Also, the beauty of Zoho Creator is its seamless synchronization across all the three interfaces, which are the web, mobile, and tablet, ensuring that any changes made on one platform are automatically reflected in the others. So, whether you're using the web interface for in depth app development, the mobile interface for on the go interactions, or the tablet interface for a balance between creativity and mobility, Zoho Creator ensures that your applications are at your fingertips whenever you need them. Zoho has been gaining traction in the current business market, and some of the factors contributing to the scope of Zoho Creator are the demand for low code app development platforms, as the businesses nowadays seek faster and more effective, cost effective ways, where Zoho Creator's low code approach positions it well to cater to this growing market. Also, with digital transformation being a priority for businesses nowadays, there is a need for agile and customizable solutions where Zoho Creator's ability of rapid app development makes it a valuable asset for organizations which are aiming to modernize and automate their operations. Also, Zoho Creator's ease of use and affordability are particularly appealing to small and medium sized enterprises for addressing their software needs. Zoho also offers a suite of business applications, and the integration capabilities of Zoho Creator with other Zoho products or any other third party service provides a seamless experience for users. So, the interconnected ecosystem adds value to existing Zoho customers who are looking for comprehensive solutions. Also, Zoho has an established market recognition known for delivering quality software solutions, and it enables users from different regions to access and utilize the platform conveniently. Also, we believe its continuous updates, future enhancements, and addressing user feedback play a crucial role in its sustained growth. Zoho Creator has been used to create more than 7 million apps by more than 6 million users worldwide, and some of our notable clients are featured here. Now that we have discussed about Zoho Creator, let's take a deeper dive into the heart of our presentation, which is augmented reality. What is augmented reality? It is like a magical window into an enhanced version of the world around you. It's basically a technology that enriches your real life experience by overlaying computer generated elements such as virtual objects, images, or data onto what you see. In simple terms, it's like adding a digital layer to what you see in the real world. Let's imagine you are looking through your smartphone's camera. As you view the real world through the device, AR technology can insert virtual objects or information into your view. So basically, augmented reality is a technology that superimposes computer generated content such as images, videos, or 3D objects onto the user's view of the real world. This blending of the digital elements with the physical environment, it basically allows users to experience an enhanced and interactive version of the reality. The goal of AR is basically to provide users with a more immersive and engaging experience, whether it's for entertainment, education, training, or practical applications in various industries. One interesting fact is that although AR gained mainstream attention in recent years, its origins can be tracked back to the 1960s. Also, AR continues to evolve rapidly and its adoption is expected to grow further as the technology becomes more accessible and sophisticated. Its unique ability to blend the digital and the physical worlds makes it a fascinating and promising technology for the future. Also, let's see about the AR devices. Augmented reality devices are specialized hardware that enables the users to experience the AR by overlaying digital content onto the real world. So basically, these devices come in various forms, ranging from handheld gadgets like smartphones and tablets to wearable accessories such as AR glasses and headsets. Each type of AR device offers unique features and benefits to enhance the user's AR experience. AR devices uses a combination of sensors, cameras, and sophisticated algorithms to understand the user's surroundings, and it tracks their movements and render digital content accordingly. It basically allows users to interact with the virtual objects, view real-time information, and also experience the AR applications with a level of realism and engagement that's not possible through traditional screens. The significance of augmented reality lies in its ability to enhance the customer's experience. Let's take whether it's trying on virtual clothes before purchasing or exploring a 3D model of product, or AR creates engaging and memorable experiences for the users. It also enables the designers, architects, and engineers to visualize their creations in the real world before they are even built. Also, this leads to improved efficiency, reduced cost, and the design process is also accelerated. AR's dynamic and interactive nature basically revolutionizes the data exploration and it makes it more intuitive, engaging, and collaborative for the analyst and the decision makers. Also, the AR driven innovations open doors to novel applications and creative solutions. And it also helps in fostering the brand loyalty and attracting new audiences. Also, embracing AR empowers every business to stand out in the competitive markets. Also, it drives the growth and the stability of the businesses in the forefront of technological advance. Augmented reality has seen significant development and advancement in recent years, and with numerous advancements and innovations shaping its trajectory, it has practical uses in various industries. And let us see some of the key industries and currently leading use cases of augmented reality. The first one is the retail. In retail, AR enriches the shopping experience by letting customers virtually try on the products before making a purchase. It brings products to life, allowing customers to visualize products such as furniture, decors, and accessories in their own spaces. It basically bridges the gap between the online and offline shopping. So it creates a seamless and interactive experience for the users. Also, the retailers can showcase detailed product information and interactive guides, which enhances the customer engagement. Also, AR powered product demonstrations allow customers to see how products work and their features in the real world scenarios. Next comes the AR in architectural visualization. AR in architectural visualization offers clients real-time interactive tours of the proposed designs. It transforms the blueprints into 3D models, which enables the architects to visualize the projects on site. With AR, stakeholders can experience lifelike simulations of buildings before construction. Interactive AR apps showcase interior design options and layout possibilities. Also, the architectural concepts come to life through AR overlays on physical spaces. Basically, AR empowers architects to present projects with captivating visualizations and seamless interactivity. Next comes the navigation and wayfinding. AR enhances navigation with real-time directional guidance overlaid on your surroundings. The AR wayfinding apps provide interactive and intuitive navigation assistance. Interactive AR markers and arrows make finding points of interest effortlessly. Also, AR enabled maps provide a seamless blend of digital information and the physical world. With AR wayfinding, you can easily explore cities and landmarks with visual cues. Then comes the education and training industry, and AR transforms learning with interactive and immersive educational experiences. It brings subjects to life, making learning engaging and fun. AR can enable the virtual field trips and hands on experiences without leaving the classroom. Also, the interactive AR content facilitates better understanding and retention of complex concepts. Also, AR in training basically enhances practical skills through simulated real world scenarios, which empowers learners to explore and interact with 3D models and simulations. It also brings historical events and scientific phenomena to life through interactive visuals. And coming to the next sector, which is industrial applications and maintenance, AR streamlines industrial tasks with real time visual guidance and instructions. It enhances maintenance procedures by overlaying data on equipment. Also, AR powered training improves worker skills and safety in the industrial setting. AR basically assists in equipment troubleshooting, reducing the downtime and enhancing productivity. Also, AR in industrial application basically boosts efficiency and leads to reduced human errors. We have like four more leading use cases, and the next one would be in the healthcare and medical training. AR hence enhances the medical training with realistic simulations and virtual patient interactions. In healthcare, AR enables immersive learning experience for aspiring professionals. Basically, interactive AR anatomy models provide a deeper understanding of the human body. Also, AR assisted surgeries offer surgeons real time data and guidance during complex procedures. AR in healthcare also improves patient education with visual explanations of medical conditions. Next comes the marketing and the advertising industry where AR captivates consumers with interactive and immersive brand experiences. The AR campaigns create memorable and shareable marketing content. Also, the AR powered ads engage customers through personalized and interactive storytelling. The AR enhanced packaging and print materials basically elevate the visual appeal of the products, and the AR marketing campaigns are going to generate excitement and buzz, which leads to driving sales. And then the next leading use case is in the tourism and cultural experience sector, where AR enriches tourism with interactive guides and virtual tours of historical landmarks. AR powered apps bring ancient sites to life. Basically, it showcases their historical significance. Interactive AR guides provide real time information and stories about attractions. It enhances the museum visits with interactive exhibits and virtual artifacts. It basically enriches travel experiences and makes the destinations more engaging and informative. And the last leading use case would be the manufacturing sector, where AR revolutionizes manufacturing with real time data overlays and streamlines the assembly processes with interactive guidance. AR powered maintenance basically reduces downtime and enhances equipment efficiency. Also, AR powered quality control ensures precision and consistency in production. It assists in design validation, reducing the error and speeding up the prototyping of the respective product. These are some of the leading and current leading use cases of AR. And now that we have explored the fascinating world of immersive technology, which is AR, let's also try to understand the key difference between augmented reality and virtual reality so that we can have a better clarity. AR overlays digital content onto the real world by enhancing the real world with virtual elements, whereas VR creates a fully simulated virtual environment and immerses the users entirely into a computer generated world. In AR, the user is going to remain aware of their physical surroundings, which is while in VR, they are fully immersed, blocking out the real world. Also, AR is commonly experienced through smartphones and AR glasses, while VR requires dedicated headsets. This is about the difference between AR and VR. Now that we have discussed about what AR is and its current trends, let's now delve into the exciting world of augmented reality in Zoho Creator, where innovative possibilities enhance your app building experiences. The two types of AR in Zoho Creator are the markerless AR and the marker based AR. Markerless AR allows virtual content to be overlaid onto the real world without the need for physical markers or predefined patterns. Whereas marker based AR uses physical markers or any object as reference points to anchor the virtual content and overlay it seamlessly onto the real world. Before discussing about both the types in detail, let's quickly understand the two modes of augmented reality that are available in Zoho Creator. The two different AR modes available in Zoho Creator are the object mode and the AR mode. The object mode allows you to open the 3D model within your Creator app with a plain background, where you can rotate the model at an angle of 360 degrees, and you can also zoom in and zoom out the model as per your convenience. This mode is available for both markerless and marker-based AR sets in the web as well as the mobile view. Coming to the AR mode, in the AR mode, the 3D model appears superimposed over its surroundings. In here, you may rotate the model horizontally and zoom in and zoom out. You can also place the model in a flat surface. Also, this model is available only in the mobile devices. Now, let's get back to the types of AR in Zoho Creator. Coming to the markerless AR, markerless AR tracks and recognizes real world features which enables the virtual content to be placed accurately without the need for any physical markers. So, without physical markers, markerless AR uses computer vision to identify and align virtual objects with the surrounding environment. Markerless AR offers a more natural and intuitive user experience as it seamlessly integrates virtual content into the real world without relying on any predefined markers. By using advanced algorithms and sensors, markerless AR allows virtual objects to interact with and respond to the real world content in real time. With markerless AR, users can also explore interactive virtual content in any location, making it versatile and accessible. Here, a markerless AR model is opened in a mobile device and explored in a 360-degree angle in the object mode. And it is opened in the AR mode where it is being placed in a flat surface and explored horizontally in the AR mode. This is about the markerless AR. Coming to the marker-based AR relies on physical markers or images as reference points so that it can anchor the virtual content in the real world. By scanning the predefined markers, marker-based AR superimposes the virtual objects onto those specific locations. It requires distinct markers to initiate and align the virtual content accurately. Also, these markers can be printed on surfaces, objects, or even displayed on screens for the AR interactions. Markers can also be designed creatively, incorporating branding elements or interactive elements. Also, these markers can be detected from various angles, enabling the users to view virtual content from different perspectives. Marker based AR is basically well suited for augmented printing materials like brochures, posters, and packaging. These markers can be updated or replaced easily, providing flexibility for dynamic AR campaigns. Here is a marker-based AR model which is scanned using an AR viewer, and the model is explored in both the object mode in the 360-degree rotation. This is the zoomed version of the object mode, and in the AR mode where uh, it is being superimposed to the environment on detecting a flat surface. Now that we have seen about the two types of AR in Zoho Creator, which is the markerless AR and the marker-based AR, let's now explore the components of AR within Zoho Creator, which are the AR library, AR field, and AR viewer. Starting with the AR library, an AR library is available in the microservices section of the Creator homepage, which is a place where multiple AR sets of type either marker-based AR or markerless AR is created. In the AR sets, the 3D models in case of markerless and 3D models along with their markers are uploaded and stored. In the AR library, you would be able to upload 3D models of the file type listed here and the markers of file types JPG, JPEG, and PNG as of now. Also, In the AR library, you may create up to a maximum of 50 AR sets, and each AR set can hold up to 50 models irrespective of the type of the AR set. Also, a zip file with a maximum file size of 30 MB and below can be added as a 3D model. Now let's see a quick demo of the AR library by accessing the Zoho Creator application. This is the home page of Zoho Creator, and on accessing the microservices section, you will be able to view the AR library option. On entering the AR library, you can view various AR sets that have been uploaded to the library. It is a combination of both markerless AR and marker-based AR, and the type is specified here. The number of models that have been uploaded to the respective AR sets is mentioned here, and on clicking the more options, we would be able to add a new AR model to the set, edit the AR set, export the AR set, and delete an AR set. Now let's see both the AR sets, which is the markerless. In the markerless AR, a 3D model along with a name is being uploaded to the AR set. While adding a markerless, you can just select a 3D model from the library and give a name to the respective model and create the respective model. This is about the markerless AR. With respect to the marker-based AR, a 3D model along with a marker and name needs to be uploaded in the AR set. On clicking the add option, you have to select a 3D model from the local system. You can upload a marker image and a name. This is how the AR library looks in Zoho Creator. The second component is the AR field, which is available in the form builder. The AR field in a form displays the AR sets from the AR library as a dropdown. So you may drag and drop the AR field to the form builder and add the necessary AR sets. You may add both the markerless and marker-based AR, and you may also add or remove the AR sets in the field properties as well. Then comes annotations. Annotations on a 3D model are basically visual markers or notes that provide additional information, context, or instructions about specific parts or features of the model. They basically serve as labels, arrows, or text overlays attached to the relevant areas of the 3D model. Annotations help users understand and interact with the model more effectively, whether it's for educational purposes, design collaboration, or technical documentation. They often are used in the industries like engineering, architecture, medical visualization, and product design to communicate the details, highlight key elements, and streamline the communication among stakeholders. Annotations basically add clarity and enhance the usability of 3D models, making them an essential tool for various applications. Now, let's see a quick demo about the AR field and how an AR model can be annotated in Zoho Creator. Now, let me open a test application. This is the live mode of the Creator application. Let me access the edit mode. I have a form created here named AR test, and now I am going to add a AR field from the special feeds section from the form palette, field palette of the form builder. And here I'm going to, all the marker based and markerless AR sets are being displayed in the drop down, and I will be selecting one marker based AR and one markerless AR. This is the field properties of the AR field where we can modify the field name, field link name, and we can add more AR inputs to the AR field. Also, we can make this field as mandatory or enable the data privacy option or even enable or disable the annotation feature for the respective AR field. And then we can modify the field size and show descriptions such as a tooltip or a help text. Now, on accessing the live mode of this app, this is the AR field, and on clicking the drop down, I would be able to see all the 3D models that have been uploaded to the AR sets that are given as input to the AR fields. Now, let me try selecting a AR model. I can click on the respective model to open the object mode of the respective 3D model. I can make the 360-degree rotation in the object mode, and we have certain options here. The tips allows us to understand what all can be performed in this mode, and we can double click to annotate. So we can just double click here to make the annotations. We can name the part and click on enter. Also, the second tip is we can click and drag the marker to change the position. So I can basically change the marker's position by clicking and dragging, and then I can drag to rotate the model, and I can pinch and scroll to zoom in and zoom out. Also, we have custom zoom option here, and I can zoom in the model from here itself. I can make multiple annotations in this model. Once clicking on done, I could see a symbol here like mentioning that the respective 3D model has been annotated, and I can submit the record. Accessing the report, I would be able to see the model selected with a symbol explaining or mentioning that the respective model has been annotated. Now, this is about the AR field in Zoho Creator. Coming to the last component, which is the AR viewer, it is available in the page component of Zoho Creator. The AR viewer is basically an interface for your device's camera. It opens a camera to scan a marker and display the respective marker-based AR models. You can then customize the output and view it in the full screen on your Creator apps page. Two types of inputs can be given to an AR viewer. One is the marker-based AR set, which can be selected from the AR sets available in the AR library. Your mobile camera would open, and on scanning a marker from the selected AR set, the respective 3D model would open in the mobile. The other type of input would be by passing parameters to the page. By this method, a 3D model can be opened in the web interface itself of the AR viewer, where you can explore the model in the object mode. Basically, in a page, the AR viewer can be added, and only marker-based AR sets can be added as input to the AR viewer. And the second input that can be given to an AR viewer is the parameters. So if you'd like to open the respective model in the web interface, you can pass the name of the respective 3D model as a parameter to the page to open the model in the AR viewer. Or else you can make use of the mobile device to scan a marker and open the respective 3D model. This is about the two inputs of AR sets. Let us see a quick demo of how the AR viewer works or how it can be configured in Zoho Creator. Let me enter the edit mode and create a new page in the application. AR viewer page. Here I can find the AR viewer. I can add it to the builder, and the two types of inputs that can be given are marker-based AR set and parameters. Let me add the marker-based ARs. And I've not created any page parameter. I can just create one by accessing the page properties. Let me name the parameter as param1 and add it. So this parameter will be available for me, which can be used to input the name of the 3D model to the AR viewer. Also, please note that for one AR viewer, one parameter can be added. So if you are trying to add multiple AR viewers to the page, you can add multiple parameters and assign each of the parameters to one of the AR viewers. Now this is the live mode of the page. As we discussed, the AR viewer would open in the web interface only if the 3D model's name is passed as a input to the parameter, or else you can view the AR viewer in the mobile view. Now let me show how this can be achieved. I can create a new workflow. Let me create a button in the report. We have the all AR test report, and let me create a button here. Open in AR viewer. And here I'm going to use the open URL deluge task to open the page, which is AR viewer page. And pass value to the parameter, which is param1 equal to input dot AR, which stores basically the AR field stores the name of the respective AR model as a string. So you can directly add it as an input to the parameter, and the window type can be a new window. You can save this. Once it's done, you can access the live mode of the application, access the report, where I have the button open in AR viewer, and on clicking this button, the respective model would open in the page. And you can see the name of the respective 3D model is being passed as a parameter to the page parameter that we have created and assigned as an input to the AR viewer. Also, let me customize the height of the AR viewer. 750 px. Now we can view the model clearly. This is about AR viewer in a mobile, in a web version. Now let me try demonstrating the AR viewer in mobile version. Let me open the test application which we have created, and I am opening the AR viewer page from here. And I have a printout of a reference image, and on clicking, I am getting the respective AR model on scanning the heart marker. And I can view the respective model in the object mode, and on clicking the AR mode, I can place the model in a flat surface. I can zoom in and rotate the model in horizontal size. So when a marker is scanned, the respective 3D model can be opened in the AR viewer of the page. This is about the AR viewer. Next comes AR in deluge. As we saw, the AR model selected in the drop-down field, it basically stores the name of the respective model that has been selected. So input.ar is going to store the name of the model. Let us see a quick demo of how the AR models can be fetched and updated using Deluge, or they can be used in workflows. So I already have a AR test form. Let me add a single line field to it. And meaning model name. So basically, whenever a AR model is selected, I want the name of the model to be fetched and autofilled in this respective field. So to achieve this, I am going to create a form workflow, and in the AR test form, I am going to create a workflow on user input action of the AR, and I'm going to name it as fetch and display models name. In here, I'm going to give the value for the model name field as the input.ar. As you can see, it is a string. It stores a string value, which is the name of the respective model. You can save it. And on accessing the live mode of the form, whenever I select a model, the name of the respective model from the AR library can be fetched and displayed. Also, what if I want the AR model to be autofilled from a different form? Let me create a new form, which is a test form. In this test form, I am going to add a lookup field from the AR test form, looking up the model's name. So whenever a user selects a model name, the AR model of the with the respective name should be fetched from a different form and uploaded to the AR field as input. So let me add the same markers and marker based ARs here as well. Once I've added, I'm going to create a new form workflow on user input of the AR test lookup which we have created. Fetch the 3D model and autofill. So I'm going to use the fetch task, and I'm going to fetch the model from the AR test form where ID equals to the model's name and input dot the AR field is going to be the fetched records AR field. Now on accessing the form, let me access this form, and let me add a model here. I'm going to add a pineapple base and submit it. So on accessing the test form, if I select pineapple base, the respective model is being fetched from the AR test form and autofilled in the AR field. This is how AR works in Zoho Creator. Okay, now that we have arrived to the last part, which is a walkthrough of an application that we have already created to explain AR's use case in Zoho Creator. It is basically an interior designing concerns application. It is named as Inspire Space Home Interior, and we have various modules in the application. Basically, the home page, which is the first component, is a basic HTML page, which is an introduction to the website's goal or the app's purpose. And then we have the design gallery, where the interior designing firm has already pre-existing designs for each and every sections of your home, like for kitchen, for bathroom, for a living room, etc. So a client can explore the design gallery to view all the pre-existing designs which are available, and they can even incorporate the same interior design to their home by placing a project. And then we have the product catalog module, where we have a list of products for home interior designing, which can be like lightings, furnitures, 3D models of all the home decors, and also the clients can explore all the products, and they can even place orders of the project. And then we have the customer profile module where all the details of the customers are maintained. And we have the projects module in which the respective customer is going to select the design that they require for their house's interior designing. And they can also add certain products from the product catalog that they need to incorporate in their home. And they can place a project with the necessary customizations. And then we finally have the Visual Studio where we have a AR viewer, and whenever the customer walks into the store, a catalog can be provided to the customer, and they can use this visualization studio from the application to scan the catalog, which is going to be the markers. Images in the catalogs are going to act as markers, and on scanning the picture, they will be able to view the 3D view of the respective products or the design gallery. This is the aim of the application, and let's get into the application demo. This is the Inspire Space Home Interior application. As we discussed, this is the HTML page, which is an introduction to the application. And then we have the customer profile module in which all new customers can be added and their information can be stored using the basic fields. And then we have the design gallery. As we discussed, some of the pre-existing designs that have been like designed and delivered by the respective interior design firm are listed here. So the customers can access this gallery and view the respective models in 3D views, and they can, on exploring, they can also incorporate the same designs in their home as well. So let us explore one of the models. This is a white modern living room. Let me click on the annotate model button. So on clicking the AR model, I would be able to view the respective model in a 360 view where I could explore the complete living room design. This gives a basic idea for the users, and they can also make the necessary customizations, like they can modify the portrait by placing the annotations, different portrait, and save the annotation. They can ask for a flower vase here, and they can make the necessary annotations. And basically, they will have an overview of how the design is going to look in their house. This is one of the models. And I can click on done to annotate the model, and the annotated model is being mentioned here. Also, we have various other models which are the kitchen model. Let us explore this model as well. This is in the black and black and brown theme. The customer can just have an overview, and this is going to create a very intuitive and engaging experience for the customers where they can visualize the complete overview of the design that is going to be incorporated. Not only this, the firm will also be creating 3D models specific to the customer's needs, and they can just view it before even incorporating it into their home. So this is going to be very efficient and engaging for the customers. And then let's also explore a colorful bedroom. This is a neon themed bedroom, and it looks so colorful. And these are the 3D models which have been installed from the browser. You would be able to generate the 3D models using third-party services, and then you can also install it for free or paid versions um, from the browser, online services. Then comes a bathroom model, and we'll end with this. This is a minimalistic and modern bathroom, and as said, the necessary customizations can be made by using annotations. This is about the design gallery where the pre-existing designs can be explored. And then we have the catalog where all the products that we are having can be displayed here along with markers or images and the respective 3D models. Now let's explore a 3D model. So this is a marker image, and on clicking here I am going to explore the 3D view of the respective home decor. I also can explore another model. This is the preview of the 3D model. To access the object mode, you can go into the edit mode and click on the respective AR models preview to view the 3D model in the 360 view. Also, as we said, if you want to visualize the model in the web view in the AR viewer of a page, you can click on the visualize option here. So the page with the respective AR model's name passed as a parameter to the page will open, and the respective AR model would open in the AR viewer. We can zoom in and zoom out. And this is about the AR catalog in the web version. And then we have the projects module where a customer can be selected. So Neha wants to select some of the pre-existing designs for her house. She will be selecting a minimalistic bedroom. She will be accessing the model, and she will specify the modifications that has to be done in the model. Like she wants a different colored side table, which can be dark brown, or she can change the uh, portrait that is used here, different trait, and she can make the necessary customizations that she would like to do to this existing design by using annotations, and then she can click on done and also add some descriptions for her own interior design for her home. And she can also add uh, multiple models or multiple designs for her house, and also select multiple products. Like she can select a chair, she can select the home light, and add the description for the project owners to implement the same design in her home as well. Once it's done, she can click on the add so that the respective interior design would be incorporated in her home as well. Then comes the visualization studio. As we saw, a parameter needs to be passed, and now in the web view, it is not possible to directly view the model or scan a model, and we have to go to the mobile view to scan the respective markers. Now, we can explore this app in the mobile view. So this is the Zoho Creator homepage, and let me access the app from the mobile view. This is the homepage that we have created. Then comes the customer profile module, where all the customer details are added. Then we have the design gallery, where all the pre-existing designs are added along with the 3D models. Let us explore one of the 3D models in the mobile view. Let me click on the AR. The loading time depends on the file size. So it may take longer if it is a bigger file. So this is a model, and we can explore the model in the mobile view as shown here. Also, In the mobile view, the AR mode can be switched on, and on detecting a flat surface, the respective model would be incorporated to the real world, where you can explore the model, you can place it anywhere and explore to see how it looks in the real-time environment. Now let's explore another model. This is the marker of the respective model. If the file size is larger, it takes some time to load the model. Let's try exploring a different model. Okay. So let us enter into the room and enter into the room and view it in the object mode. Also, with respect to the AR mode, if a flat surface is detected, the respective model can be opened and it can be viewed in the real time. Looks cool, right? Also, these are markerless AR, which doesn't require any marker, and they can be directly placed on a flat surface on opening the AR viewer mode. And then coming to the products, let me try opening this chair in the AR mode. This is the object mode where we can visualize the model in a 360 view, and on clicking the AR mode and on detecting the flat surface, the respective chair can be placed in the real-time environment. And you can visualize the model and check whether it suits your house's needs and it looks good on the real environment and all before even making the purchase. This is how it works. Now that we have seen about the product catalog, the design gallery, and the projects, let's go into the visualization studio. Let's say you are a client and you are walking into an interior designing firm and they give you a catalog. You can just scan the images of the respective catalog to view the 3D models and incorporate them in the real-time world. Now, let me show how it works. So this is basically a catalog, and let me show a marker. Let me show an image. This is a home decor, which is basically a projector. And I'm scanning the projector. The respective model is like scanned using the AR viewer, and this is the object mode. And on clicking the AR mode, I can move around and place the respective model in the real-time environment. As you can see how it was basically scanned from the marker. Let me scan another image. This is a lantern, and if you can see on scanning the marker, the lantern is being imposed on the model, and on accessing the object mode, I can explore the respective decor in a 360 degree, and on clicking on the AR mode, I can place it around in the real-time environment. I can even place it near and check whether it looks good in that environment and go ahead and purchase the respective product. This is about how the visualization studio works and how the markers can be scanned to open the 3D models in Zoho Creator. And now that we have come to the end of the session, I'd like to conclude by saying that augmented reality in Zoho Creator opens up a world of possibilities for businesses. And with the power of AR, you can transform your apps and solutions into immersive experiences, which enhances the productivity, engagement, and efficiency. So, unlock the potential of AR in Zoho Creator and embark on a journey of innovation and transformation to deliver remarkable experiences that is going to leave a lasting impact on the users. Thank you all. Now that we have come to the Q&A session, we request you all to feel free to post your queries in the chat box so that we would be able to address those queries. We request you all to take some few minutes to fill the survey feedback so that it is going to be very helpful for us. And all the new creators can try Zoho Creator for free by accessing the website displayed in the above slide. And you can just go ahead and create a trial account to explore these AR functionalities in Zoho Creator. I'd like to thank you all for joining this webinar today. And if you wish to contact us, you may drop an email to support@zohocreator.com in case of any technical queries regarding Zoho Creator. And if you have any questions regarding the pricing and subscription of Zoho Creator, you may drop an email to creator-sales@zohocorp.com. Once again, thank you all for joining the session. I hope the session was very informative and insightful. Thank you, guys.